Hey guys, Pinoy Toy Geek, and this is Red13, back again with another video.
Pikachu, I choose you!
Ask me if you want to know anything about Pokemon.
I'm happy to be working in this extremely advanced facility. I'm having a great time with this Pokemon Go.
Go Bulbasaur!
To be the best trainer, you have to work real hard.
Squirtle, Squirtle.
Pikachu! Bulbasaur!
Alright, time to buy some equipment. Let's see what they got. A Master Ball. It looks like the last one, too.
Looks like we have a customer. Hi there, how may I help?
Yeah, I was wanting to buy the Master Ball in the window.
Sure, that's our last one.
Then I'll take it instead.
Hey, I got here first.
I don't care.
Ooh, you could fight for it.
Yeah, battle for the Master Ball.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Fine.
There is no fighting in the shop.
Well, you boys can have your fight outside.
The rules are simple. The master with the last Pokemon standing wins the Master Ball.
It's gonna be me. You don't stand a chance.
Listen, Squirt, why don't you save yourself some embarrassment and just go away?
Charmander, go! Eevee, go!
Charmander!
Go get him, Eevee.
Well, I must say, they look evenly matched.
Oh great, they knocked each other out.
Fine, we'll use another Pokemon instead.
It's time to kick this up to the next level.
That was just a warm-up round for me.
Pikachu, I choose you! Go Bulbasaur!
Now this will be exciting.
Pikachu!
Shook! Squirtle, Squirtle! Hey, that was cheating! It wasn't me!
I just thought I'd go ahead and join the battle. Looks like I have the last Pokemon standing.
Well, this is crazy.
Tell me about it.
Great job, Squirtle.
Squirtle, Squirtle!
Well, there you have it, everybody. Please leave a comment letting us know what you thought, and don't forget to hit subscribe.
Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Toy Geek, and this is Red 13. We'll see you next time.